Hello and welcome to the Al Bayt Stadium here in the northern Qatari city of Al Khor. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical analysis is Stuart Robson. And with the game just moments away now, this really ought to be a superb watch. It's Brazil versus France.
Absolutely, this should be a good game. I think both sides deserve to be here, but whichever team plays to their full potential should make it into the quarterfinals. It's going to be a good game.
And he takes it on. Oh, good work to deny the opportunity. Over it comes. A decent effort, but the keeper read it all the way. The starting 11 for Brazil. Alisson gets the nod in goal. Alexandro plays with Danilo in the full-back positions. Casemiro plays alongside Fabinho in the centre of midfield. And the focal point in attack today is Neymar. Chance here. Well, diving magnificently to make sure he got there. And there's the delivery. A struggle to get it away properly. That is a very fine challenge in difficult circumstances. Here's the side France will go with. Hugo Lloris is the goalkeeper. Dayo Upamecano plays alongside Rafael Varane in central defence. Ousmane Dembele starts with Kylian Mbappe in the wide areas. And the starting role in attack is handed to Olivier Giroud. Oh, great defending. Dembele, and a significant block following that cross. Vinicius Junior. Must be! Well, hit with ferocity when accuracy was required. He's given it straight to the opposition. Good use of advantage by the referee. Will he find the net? It could be up for grabs. Oh, chance taken! There is opportunism for you, but a disappointed goalkeeper.
Well, as you can see, the first save is a good one, but they can't react quickly enough to the second ball. The keeper's a bit unlucky, really.
So France get the ball rolling once more. We're about to find out how they're going to react to the setback. Dembele. Now far from a smooth challenge. Now will the referee produce a card? Well, the card is out, and it's yellow.
Yeah, it's clumsy and it's late. Definitely a yellow card.
And they have possession again. Opportunity it is. And a goal! The quick one too! And they've turned this game on its head.
Well, here's the goal again, and it's a really nice ball to put him through. The vision to set up the chance is outstanding. And what a clinical finish this is. Hit with such power by Neymar. Not much chance for the goalkeeper there. Great goal.
Brazil couldn't retain possession. He needs to get rid of that fast. Dembele. It's with Giroud. Plenty of running room in the wide position. What a genuine opportunity, but it was squandered. Goal kick. Well, slightly off target, and that'll be a throw-in. And Neymar, a wonderful intervention. Wonderful chance. And that's fantastic goalkeeping to get across and deal with the danger. Delivering it. Oh, blocked it. Breaking at pace. They've got it now, what can they do? A glorious chance. Superb stop. The referee's letting it go as they keep the ball.
Well, Derek, this has been a really good performance, as you can see. They've created numerous chances, they're winning the game comfortably, and they could go on and score more. This could get really embarrassing.
Well, just the tackle that was needed. Griezmann. Moving into the advanced position. Teammates in the middle. Struggling to get it away. Danger averted for now. Neymar. Now can they counter clinically? And it looked like open road for them, but up a dead end. Well, he really read that brilliantly. Plenty of support here. Vinicius Junior. Well, it took a deflection. That'll be a corner. And now the delivery. Routine, really. Giving the ball to the opposition that time. Can he make it count? He knew he had to make the tackle, and did. Can they slot it home? And a time for calm on the ball. Olivier Giroud. And Brazil with control of the ball again. And Neymar. Is this the moment? Excellent block. Giroud showing teamwork and commitment. It did look on for them, but not to be. Dembele. Now he must favour the cross. That's well blocked. And the flag does go up. Must have been close. Well, in terms of added time, a minimum of 1 minute. And so it is, the first half story has been written.